And we're seeing some movement as well in the NCP headquarters. Arunil, what's happening? We're seeing a lot of supporters there gathering.
Well, Jayant Patil, the NCP state chief, has come in. My video journalist Sachin Yeram is giving you these visuals. Inside a meeting between Jayant Patil and Supriya Sule. Working president of Supriya Sule, Jayant Patil, NCP state president, Maharashtra president. They are having a meeting inside. NCP party workers basically going inside. And Times Now is the only channel which has been reporting from over here. That I can confirm to you, Pratibha. So a meeting has been held between Jayant Patil and between Supriya Sule. I spoke to Jayant Patil asking him those questions, but he said that I will definitely speak to you individually later. Now, a meeting has been taking place between Jayant Patil and Supriya Sule over here, and in the adjacent room is also Jitendra Awad. All of them have tweeted about it, pledging their support to Sharad Pawar ji, saying that we will always remain with Sharad Pawar Sahib. That is what they have said. A kind of a massive jolt, tremor has been seen within the NCP party rank, one can say. Many of them, many of the senior leaders have chosen to remain with Sharad Pawar, but many of those other close confidants have gone ahead and joined the government with Ajit Pawar. Now, what happens to the future of NCP party? We'll speak to one of the senior netas of the NCP. Mr. Clyde, we'd like to speak to you. So how do you look at these developments that have taken place within the NCP party? Clear-cut divide within the NCP. What happens to the future of NCP legislatively as well? Jitendra Awad is taking hold of it as LOP.
Well, what can one say? When somebody has decided to betray, and there are betrayers in our party, they've gone. We wish them all the best. They can try what they want to try. See, like, it's very simple. A party makes an individual, party makes a leader. They think they make the party. Sadly, they're mistaken. Our party is Mr. Sharad Pawar. Our symbol is Mr. Sharad Pawar. And you see all the people are gathered here. We are part of the Nationalist Congress Party. We will stick with our President, Mr. Sharad Pawar. They can go, they've run away because of lust of power. They're hungry for power. They could not live without
lust of power. This is what Mr. Clyde has been saying over here. We'll again go and have a word with Mr. Jitendra Awad also over here. He basically is sitting and speaking to the media. Okay, so Jitendra Awad basically is speaking to some other media personnel over here. By the time there is another meeting that is taking place between Jayant Patil and Supriya Sule, Jitendra Awad in the other room. Many of the NCP party workers have been saying that it is the lust for power and the ED action that have basically resulted in their own colleagues going and joining the government. That is what their allegation is. Now, what exactly happens to the future of the NCP party, because Ajit Pawar seems to be having the numbers, at least when it comes to the legislative party. He has claimed the support of as many as 40 MLAs. 36 is the requisite numbers that he will be needing. Now, on the ground, whether he actually has that support of 36 MLAs, that is yet not been proven by Ajit Pawar. That also will be very, very paramount for them. So a media conference is expected inside here where Jayant Patil and Supriya Sule are having a meeting. We will definitely be attending that media conference as well, because this is the first time when Supriya Sule, who attended that meeting today with Ajit Pawar in the morning, considered to be a rival to Ajit Pawar, but also a younger cousin sister of Ajit Pawar. She will be making her statement for the first time since these developments have happened thick and fast. Many of them are saying that they didn't expect all this to happen so immediately in such kind of a fast-paced manner. We'll speak to some of the more NCP party workers who have gathered here. How do you look at these developments? Certainly very unexpected, but there were reports and rumors that Ajit Pawar was inclined towards joining the BJP.
See, the best part is that whatever decisions they have taken is all up to them. We all party workers, from the day party has been established by our leader Sharad Pawar Sahib, we were with him, we are with him, and we will be with him till the end of our life. So we are not...
That is what Ajit Pawar had also said around 15 days back, that I will be with NCP till the end of my life. Now he is saying NCP meri hai. So what about that?
See, now this is become a trend. Everybody who actually quits the party with whatever reason.
हमारे नेता पवार साहब ने जो भी कुछ कहा है उसके बारे में मैं कोई भी वक्तव्य नहीं करूंगा। वो हमारे सम्माननीय है, कल भी रहेंगे और हमेशा रहेंगे।
सर लेकिन वो एक
और इसलिए हमने जो भी निर्णय लिया, जैसे अजीत पवार जी ने अपने वक्तव्य में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में कहा, हमने निर्णय जो लिया है पार्टी करके लिया है, सामूहिक निर्णय लिया है और इसलिए जो भी हमारा निर्णय है वो अधिक
पवार जी ने
पार्टी
कहा
का
है कि
निर्णय।
आपके ऊपर ईडी का, सबके ऊपर ईडी का दबाव है, इसके वजह से
कोई भी किसी पे दबाव नहीं है और कोई भी ये सब बोलने की बातें
सर,
हैं।
पवार जी
अब ऐसा है, मैं कुछ भी उसके बारे में प्रतिक्रिया, उन्होंने जो बोला, पवार साहब ने बोला,
वो आपके ऊपर
उसके
खास करके काफी नाराज है।
आपने धोखा दिया, बोले आपने धोखा दिया।
आपने धोखा दिया क्योंकि आपको वर्किंग कमेटी मेंबर बनाया था सर। यस सर, यू स्पीक।
मैं 1991 से लोकसभा का सदस्य और राज्यसभा का सदस्य बारी बारी कई बार बना हूं और इसलिए जो भी राष्ट्रवादी कांग्रेस पार्टी ने और शरद पवार जी के माध्यम से जो भी पार्टी ने मुझे दिया है उसके लिए मैं सदैव आभारी हूं, उनका भी आभारी हूं, पार्टी का आभारी हूं और इसलिए आज जो भी कुछ निर्णय हुआ है वो पार्टी का निर्णय समझकर अजीत पवार जी ने लिया है। उनके नेतृत्व में सभी लोगों ने आज सरकार में शामिल होने का निर्णय लिया है और इसलिए मुझे आज ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि मैं आदरणीय शरद पवार जी के कोई भी वक्तव्य पर मेरी प्रतिक्रिया देना
सर,
चाहूंगा।
अजीत पवार जी ने कहा है कि आपके पास सब सारे नंबर सारे एमएलए और एमपी आपके पास है। अजीत पवार जी ने कहा है, लेकिन अभी देखा जा रहा है कि एनसीपी के ऑफिस में आप देख सकते हो कि वहाँ पे पूरी तरह से जितेंद्र अवार्ड जी को अपोजिशन लीडर बनाया गया है कि सारे लोग
आपको मैं एक गोष्ट मी स्पष्ट करू इच्छितो की आम्ही राष्ट्रवादी पक्ष म्हणून निर्णय आज घेतलेला आहे। जे काही आता पक्ष कार्यालय, आता कोण कुठे बसला आहे, कोणी काय म्हणजे तिथे कार्य केलं आहे की कोणाला म्हणजे नेमलं आहे त्याच्याविषयी बोलणं आज काही आवश्यक नाही आहे। ठीक आहे,
जयंत पाटील पण आहेत
असं आहे की पक्ष म्हणून निर्णय जेव्हा घेतला गेला त्यामध्ये सर्वांचा समावेश होतो।
पक्षाचे प्रेसिडेंट अजित पवार आहे, शरद पवार आहेत का?
आता आम्ही